Ooh. Ooh. I'm from Mackenzie, and today we're cooking PF Chang style lettuce wraps, but we're making them leaner and vegan-y. So it's gonna be PF Chang's vegan-y leanness all in one. If you don't know PF Chang's, go down to the States. It's a big chain. They got these lettuce wraps. Everyone loves them. They sell 8 million lettuce wraps a day. So I said, you know what? You're not gonna have to buy them anymore. We're gonna show you how to cook them. And we're also gonna make them vegan. So it's a win-win for everyone. Here we go. First step, munch on some lettuce. While you're cooking this, we're gonna get soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, swizzle it in there. In a bowl. Then we're gonna grab hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of this bad boy. You can squirt it around. Look at that, that's about 3. Don't question my judgment, I know. Rice vinegar. This is going in the bowl as well. That's about 2. And then, last but not least, sesame oil. This is going in. One little dash of that. Woo! How do you make lettuce wraps vegan? Well, you take the chicken out, you take the meat out, and you add tofu. This is tofu. This is gonna go in the pan, make the foundation of our lettuce wraps. We're gonna put it in the pan. This is my pan. I call him Lean Man, Lean Pan. LP. Now, LP is waiting there. He wants me to add all this tasty leanness, so I'm going with a little bit of canola oil, 2 teaspoons. That's about 2 teaspoons right there. Crank it up to medium heat. Grab your tofu. And then you're just magically crumbling it in. You want it nice small pieces. I'm just crumbling. Crumble away. Don't be shy. A wise lean man once told me that. His name was Chris, and I met him outside 7-Eleven. He said, hey, you look like you know about the leanness. I said, I do. How did you know? He said, well, you're wearing a shirt that says LEANSQUAD. Become one with the leanness by having it on your brain all the time. And I said, wow, I'm gonna be lean all the time now. Thanks, Chris. And me and Chris have been best friends ever since. We've been lean buddies. Now, tofu's been sizzling up. What we gotta do here is add some mushrooms diced, okay? I'm doing about a handful of mushrooms, but you can go crazy on the mushrooms. They add a lot of texture to the meal, give it that nice full feeling when you're munching down on the lettuce wrap. And then mix it all together. While everything is cooking up on the pan there, you wanna mince up your garlic. I'm doing 3 cloves. Because garlic is good for your body, your mind, and your lean levels. Mush it down. That really breaks down the garlic, makes it really easy to mince up and get really nice, small pieces. This is ginger. This is grated ginger. Grated ginger is going in LP, the lean pan, okay? So we're gonna add the garlic. The 3 cloves of garlic are going in the pan, and then 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Then we're taking a can of water chestnuts. We are bringing them to the party. Like I said, friends are welcome. The leanness has no limits. We're also now going to add 2 green onions diced up right into that pan there. Red pepper. This is when the party starts getting really spicy. You can do a teaspoon. I'm gonna go a little more. I like spice. My body likes spice. Metabolism likes spice. If you can get used to spice, your metabolism will be elevated. Everything's kind of being mixed and matched for about 6-7 minutes now. Medium-ish heat. Now it is time to swizzle on our sauce. This is what is gonna make it taste amazing. Ooh-yee. The lean party has officially started. Make sure you get everything in there. You don't want to miss anything. You get every drop, every last drop in. And then obviously, we are mixing it up for another minute. Last ingredient before we get to eat all the tofu lettuce wraps. Sriracha! Woo! Woo! That is the sound of a lean party. Listen to the sizzle. Because when you invite Sriracha to the party, things get really crazy. Explosion of leanness, lean flavors all in one pan, and then you just quickly mix it up. This is the final step, about 30 seconds or so. Mix it, mix it, mix it, keep mixing, don't stop, keep going right to the very end. 3, mix it, 2, mix it, 1, woo! There we go. Turn it off, relax, that was a crazy party. Woo! Feel like my metabolism is going now. Smell leanness. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to make our lettuce wraps come together. So you take this pan, LP, right there. Look at that leanness. Woo. This is full of so much lean explosion. Then we got the lettuce wraps because we're keeping this meal extra lean. So you bop down a lettuce wrap or 2, or 3, or 4. You can just keep on going all day long because these are so lean. So lean. I love the lettuce, all right? These are my lettuce wraps. And we scoop just like that. Woo! Now, feel free to go nuts. These are lean. These are not a heavy meal. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't think PF Chang should serve it better itself. The final steps. It's the final countdown to leanness. Just a little bit garnish. A little bit of garnish, spring onion. You got a couple more spring onions. Get them on there. Woo! Look at these lean, vegan, PF Chang's version style lettuce wraps. If you don't know what PF Chang's is, don't worry about it. Because you don't need to go, because we cooked it right here, right now. You're not going out for dinner. PF Chang's is done, dusted. We're cooking at home instead. Let me know what you think of the lean lettuce wraps. Please make sure you subscribe and definitely comment because